Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss related to same mutual fund, and we are going to discuss about third step. So as we are discussing the flow of the mutual fund investment, so already you have two steps already you have discussed. You can go, you can watch that two steps first, and then you can come back and watch this third step. And this is also very, very important. As I told you, we are going to discuss all the steps, and now we are into third step, and this is all about your diversification of your portfolio. Very, very important. Now most of the people, even as a layman, even it is quite difficult to understand for me. If I'm investing, and as I told you, like pulling up money, maintaining by a professional team manager, so all these things I know, but as a layman it's quite difficult for me to understand this diversification of portfolio. What do you mean by this? So most of the people, when they are investing, they are getting the result, they are getting good returns, they are happy, but they will not be able to analyze. Even most of the people, and they will not even do this kind of research. Even it is their money, it is their own money, they will only listen to somebody else who they are going to bank, or maybe that person is going to help them, or maybe that person could be a financial advisor or maybe a consultant. So whatever, based on their research, whether they are following or not, based on that they are going to bank on their decision. But let me tell you, as a layman, when you also need to understand the diversification of your portfolio, it's a very simple way. I'll just tell you. So what do you mean by this diversification of your portfolio? Means whatever money I'm investing, like 100 people are also investing, like as pulling up money, the fund already created. Now this entire fund money, where it is going to be invested, the entire, even this money, if I'm going to invest, that what sort of investment, what sort of sectors, what sort of units, what sort of like domain, what sort of things even I'm going to invest. Maybe yes, the fund manager is going to take the decision, but yes, ultimately it is my money and I need to understand. And this is why I'm talking, it's a diversification of my portfolio. Means not only one particular sector, not only one particular domain, not only one particular fund, it will be a mix of asset. I'll just give a simple example. So today, let's say if I'm going to take, let's say even any kind of lunch, or let's say any kind of dinner, if I enter to a hotel, or let's say if I go to a restaurant, so what will happen? I'm not going to take only one, let's say kind of bread, or let's say kind of, let's say one particular one item. Yes, definitely I need even some kind of additional things, or maybe uh, kind of complementary things that I need, right? So I cannot even take only alone even a bread itself. So for that, similarly, the same concept, if you put it, so I cannot put the entire 100 rupees in one fund. I cannot put the entire 100 rupees, let's say, in one sector, because I do not know. As a fund manager, as I told you, so I'm just like a father. I'm just working as a head of the family, or I'm working just like a mother. As entire decision, if it is going to happen good, yes, I'm safe. But if it is not even going to happen good, so definitely my entire even risk, the even company risk, even the investor risk, everything, it is going to be for a big even loss itself. So in that same scenario, definitely I cannot even bank only one sector. I cannot even bank only one domain. So what I need to do, so let's say, as in a simple way, if I tell you, if I'm getting this 100 rupees, and let's say if I'm the fund manager, so I'll look out what is the trend, what exactly the past performance, and what could be the risk factor analysis on this, the returns even in future. So like this, maybe I may choose even, let's say, some kind of sector. I'm just giving an example. Let's say maybe banking, maybe financial, maybe FMCG, maybe IT, this kind of industry, this kind of portfolio. It is just a mix. It is not only particular IT, it is not particular bank, it is not particular finance, it is not a particular any sector I'm going to put. So maybe out of this 100 rupees, I'm putting, let's say, 10 rupees in one sector, 10 rupees into IT sector, 10 rupees into banking sector, 10 rupees into financial sector. Like this, I'm just creating, let's say, a 10-20 funds, 10-20 even portfolio, 10-20 assets for me. and for the investors who are investing the money, so that maybe even one is not working well, two might be working well, maybe two is not working well, three might be working well, or maybe altogether this 3 4 is not working well but another six are working good. So what is happening, it's just like a diversification, might go up, might go down, five might go up, five might go down. So it is balancing. Again, five might go, the uh, bottom five might go up, the top five might go down. Even altogether, it can be even 10 also even up. So I don't know, as I told you, that is what we are discussing, all this entire event flow, entire event process. But somehow it will be balancing. I'm not going to bang only one sector. If that sector is not working, definitely the other sector will be working. There will be a lot of even other factors that we are not going to discuss in this video, that maybe some other video we are going to discuss, because maybe international market, maybe international politics, maybe international war situation, all these things also it will be even an effect. But yes, let me tell you, that will be maybe not a longer effect, that could be even an effect, that could be even a damage, but not even more, for a longer time, it may be for a shorter time itself. So diversification of your even fund, it's very very important. The mixing of this fund is very very important. So I hope this is also again a very important discussion. Any more questions, any more doubt, I'm always there in my chat box, or maybe you can send me even any kind of mail. I'll be happiest person to answer you for all your questions. Thanks for watching.